Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and I want to tell you why this Black & Decker Workmate 125 might be the missing link to your garage or workshop tool setup. The most obvious feature of this workbench is also one of its best in that it can fold away and be stored out of the way, saving precious storage space. It also easily unfolds and provides a sturdy work surface, locking in with the two side screws. The unique feature for this workbench is that it can also be used as a vise. Each handle independently controls the angle and puts the pressure exactly where you need it. Whether it's a simple thin sheet of wood or whether it's a really odd shaped piece, this vise holds on tight and won't let go when you're working on an item. As far as I know, this is a very unique feature to the Black & Decker Workmate. While the surface area will be enough for most situations, if you need a larger work surface, a spare sheet of plywood will do just fine. Of course, you could also make a few different work surfaces that the vise will hold in place for your custom needs. I think this Black & Decker Workmate 125 makes a great workmate. Very helpful when you need it and stays out of the way when you don't. And that's my point of view.